Hey everyone, welcome to another video, another celestial tour. In this video, I am finally going to talk about the topic that is very interesting. It is about the most mysterious and creepy objects in the universe. Can you guess it? That's right, they're the black holes. And as you know, I gave some short info about them in my previous videos. So without wasting more time, let's just jump right in. Now, I explained what a black hole is in my previous videos in a short explanation. In astronomy, especially in astrophysics, black holes are celestial objects which can literally swallow up all matter and energy that even light can't escape them. I mean, I am talking about the light, which has literally a speed of 300,000 kilometers per hour. It's crazy, right? And how is that possible, you may ask? Well, thanks to gravity, black holes are like this. And many people say that black holes are like vacuum cleaners, but actually that's a falsehood. Even NASA confirmed that that's all just a falsehood. They're not like vacuum cleaners at all. It's all because of gravity, because gravity in black holes works differently. And this also happens because black holes cover up tiny amounts of volume in space, but their mass and density are unbelievably strong. So a black hole is created. Now you probably didn't get what I'm trying to say, so I am gonna explain it in a simpler way. So, in the life cycle of a star video, I talked about how black holes got formed. Now, if you haven't watched the video, I would highly recommend you to first watch the video from the top right, then come back to the same video. If you did watch it though, then you can keep watching the video. So black holes form from very dense stars. The gravity sucks up and collapses all the matter from the dense star, which is the massive star, while it is converting into a into a red supergiant to a supernova, and finally it turns into a neutron star, which is still dense and massive, but takes up small amounts of volume in space. However, if gravity collapses the star into a more denser object, then there wouldn't be an object, but a massive black hole dug by gravity in the place where the dense star once shone. And that's why the gravitational force is so strong in a black hole, because gravity dug the hole from a dense star. Now, the most asked question about black holes is, what is happening inside a black hole? Well, that is a very good question. And people interested in space has no idea. However, since the gravity of a black hole is extremely strong, the force could tear you apart instantly, or you would age too quickly. Another theory is a theory in the movie called INTERSTELLAR, and you probably know about it because it is a pretty popular film. It is a pretty popular movie, and it is one of my favorite movies so far. And if you haven't watched the movie and you want to watch it from your device, major spoilers ahead. So the main character, Cooper, falls into a black hole and he time travels from a black hole, aka from the fifth dimension. And he moves the books in her daughter Murph's room, and Murph thinks that it is a ghost, aka gravity. But the thing that Cooper is trying to do is telling his past self to not leave his daughter, and that's why the books move. So the theory is basically there could be a larger dimension in a black hole which you could time travel from. And another theory is the wormhole theory. A wormhole is basically a bridge that sends you to two parts of the universe faster than a light. And we will talk about that in another video with details. So I'm not pretty sure if everything I said in this video is correct, because black holes are pretty difficult stuff to study on. So, but still, I hope you learned something from it and enjoyed it. And not gonna lie, it really was so hard for me to write the script for this video. So yeah, that's why I hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, thank you for watching and listening, and stay astronomical.